Hey, I'm Katie with WTI. Snow is not so much fun when you are cold and wet. That's why it's important to have the right gear. This coat by IMPHUT kept my husband dry and warm on a recent snowboarding trip. This is listed as a gender neutral coat, and the sizing we found does line up with men's sizing. So we ordered him the large, which is his usual size. The fit was very comfortable for him. He's not used to a coat that is quite so loose, but it is loose on purpose. That's the style of it. We're just getting old. He was pleasantly surprised with how warm it kept him. The first day we went out, he wore a long sleeve and a t-shirt, and he actually got too hot. So our second day of boarding, he just wore a t-shirt and he was really comfortable with that. I love the black accents with the khaki. It's such a sharp contrast and it looks really good. All the pockets are great. It has pockets on both sides of the chest so that whether you're right-handed or left-handed, you can find things to be easily accessible. It was very warm and very comfortable, and I might add, he looked really good in it. This was a great jacket for my husband, and I think that you're going to love it too. That's just my point of view.